Welcome to Anil DB Education. Today we will discuss about the 10th class. So, 6th, 7th unit. So, nature and diversity. In that, a reading. So, here my childhood part 2. So, here as these boys were from Orthodox Hindus Brahmins family. As children, none of us even felt any differences amongst ourselves because of our religious differences and upbringing. In fact, Ramanath Shastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri, the highest priest of Rameshwaram temple. Later, he took over the priesthood of the Rameshwaram temple for his father. Aravindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims, and Shiva Prakashan became a catering contractor in the for the Southern Railway. So here the boys, so here the boys, the three friends, his three friends belongs to the Hindu Brahmins family. So here the childrens never feel the difference of any religion. So here Abdul Kalam was belongs to a Muslim person, and here there's three are belongs to the Hindus family, Brahmins family. So here among them friendship, they did not discuss shown the difference between the religion. So here Ramanand Shastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri. So here Ramanand's father was a name is Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri. So here he is the highest priest in the Rameshwaram temple. So here latter he took the over the priesthood of the Rameshwaram temple. So here he took care of the Rameshwaram temple for his father. So Aravindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrimage. So here one who travels to holy places as a devotee. So here, so next his friends Aravindan, he is doing the business, and so here later Shiva Prakashan, he become as a catering contractor. So in that food section, so here he did a catering contractor for the Southern Railway. So here during the annual Sri Rama Kalyanam ceremony, our family used to arrange boat with a special platform for carrying idols of the Lord from the temple to the marriage site situated in the middle of the pond called Ramatirtha, which was near our house. Even from the Ramayana and from the life of the prohibit where the bedtime stories my mother and grandmother would tell the childrens in our family. So here during the annual, so here at the ceremony, so here Sita Rama Kalyanam, okay, that marriage ceremony was our so here the Abdul Kalam's family was arranging a special boat for carrying the idols, so of the Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmanas. So from the temple to the marriage site, so where the marriage was doing at that situation, they carry the idols from in the boat. So here it is located in the middle of the pond called Ramatirtha. So here in the middle of that pond is nothing but it is called as Ramatirtha. So which was near the APJ Abdul Kalam's house. So here events of the Rama and from the life of the prohibit. So here prohibit is nothing but we call them as a priest. So here we in Hindu we call them as priest. Here prohibit who found the religion of Islam. So here in the temples we have priest. In the same way, mosque is also having priest. It called as a prohibit. So here he belongs to the religion of Islam. So here where the bedtime stories my mother and grandmother would tell the children in our family. So here they will tell the stories about their prohib during the sleeping time. They state the stories who his mother and grandmother will tell to the all his sisters and brothers. One day, when I was in the fifth standard at the Rameshwaram Elementary School, a new teacher came to our class. I used to wear a cap when marked me as a Muslim, and I sat in front of row next to the Ramanand Shastri, who wore the scared threads. The new teacher could not could not stomach a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. So here, when Abdul Kalam was in the fifth standard, he was studying in the Rameshwaram Elementary School. So here, the new class teacher came to their class. So here, he Abdul Kalam was belongs to a Muslim. So here, the Muslims he wear a cap, so which marks as a Muslim. So here the Muslims, that cap is belongs to the Muslims. So he weighed it and he sat in the first row beside Rameshwaram Sastri. So here when the Hindus and Muslims children are sitting together, so here the teacher could not bear, so teacher got angry. So here she unable to tolerate that. So she is saying that Hindus praise the son sitting with the Muslim boy. So here she don't tolerate. So here in accordance with our social ranking, as a new teacher saw it, was asked to go and sit on the back bench. I felt very sad, and so did Ramanand Shastri. He looked utterly disconcerted as I shifted my seat into the last row. The image of him weeping when I shifted to the last row left a lasting impression on me. So here the teacher did not tolerate that, and she said to Abdul Kalam to sit in the last row. So here he went and he sat on the last row. So when he moved from the Ramanand Shastri, so here the Shastri felt completely sad. So and he continuously crying for for Abdul Kalam. Why? Because he sitting on the last bench. After the school, we went home and told our respective parents about the incident. Lakshman Shastri summoned the teacher and in our presence told the teacher that he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. So here the children Ramanand Shastri and Abdul Kalam went to their homes and they informed that what happened, the incident happened in the school. So here what happened, the Lakshman Shastri, so here the Lakshman Shastri visited the teacher and informed that. So here he told that teacher should not poison the spread the poisons of social inequality. So here communal disturbance to the minds of the innocent children. So here the children are innocent, so they don't know anything. So being a teacher, you should not show the difference social inequality to the children. He blunted asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the school and the island. Not only did the teacher regret his behavior, but the strong sense of the conviction Lakshmana Shastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young teacher. So here he asked the teacher directly to say either apology or quit the school. So here he said, the Ramanand Shastri said that you should say sorry to the children or you should leave the school. So here not only did the teacher feel sorry by his behavior, but the strong sense of convent Lakshmana Shastri said finally reformed this young teacher. So here he appointed that another teacher. Thank you.